Hey guys, it's Hope, and today I'm doing a chit chat. Get ready with me. I have a lot to talk about. Honestly though, I barely ever wear makeup, but I just wanted to start a video, and I'm actually filming 3 videos today, so I was like, well, I guess I'll just look good in all these videos. Okay, so normally I would put like moisturizer on and primer and stuff, but honestly I'm lazy today, and I'm just wearing this for a couple hours because it's already like 5:30, so we're just gonna spray this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And I know setting spray, but we're just gonna do it. So I just shake it up a little, and then I'm gonna let that dry and get to foundation. The foundation I've been using recently is the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation, normal to oily skin, and in the shade 105 Bare Ivory. So yeah, here you go. I'll list everything I'm wearing down below. Get a damp sponge or whatever you use, brushes, whatever. And I'm just going to put it on my hand, the top of my hand, and then dab it all over my face and then blend it in. So anyways, what's been new with me recently? Well, I just finished my first, actually, you know what, I'm just going to dab it on like this. I'm lazy. Anyways, I just finished my, first year of college. I actually just posted a video about that. I'll link it in the card right now and down below. And it was very different than I thought. So, you know, just go check that video out if you want. And I can honestly say so much more because I did it with my sister, twin sister Faith. So, like, we had to kind of say a little less because it was already a long video, you know. And it seems like we said a lot, but honestly, I have so much more I could say. So, if you want to know. This summer has been fun. I actually joined a Bible study, it's been going great so far. I honestly never read the Bible before. Like, I did read parts of the Bible, but I never, like, started from the beginning and finished yet. So, I don't know. We're doing a video for you guys today, and I don't know which one's coming first, but either look out for our video coming soon, or it's already up and check it out. Girl! What was I saying, though?
She doesn't even know the song. She's a fake fan.
I know the song. Thank you very much. I was saying something and I have to look back and figure out what I was saying. I really can't even see what I'm doing because I'm so far from me right now. But you know what? It's fine.
Sorry.
Okay, if you hear my sister, she's brushing her hair. If you hear that sound. Anyways, but yeah, it's exciting to read more parts of the Bible I haven't read yet. And let's see. But, yeah, I'm really excited for YouTube videos. If you saw this intro, I don't know if it's the first video or second video with a new intro. I'm really excited. It's really goofy. Now, I don't have to blend it down to my neck because, honestly, the foundation I wear doesn't really cover much. We're going to have to keep this very natural because my sister is brushing me. She's playing. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Maybelline New York concealer now. So, like, they go together. I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but it's honestly way too bright and way too thick and obvious. Like, I want a more natural coverage, so we're gonna go back to this. Honestly, my makeup, all of the makeup I have is so old, but it still works. Like even, okay, obviously foundations, you guys get new ones, but, like, I have, like, so many eyeshadows and, like, other stuff from years and years and years ago, lipstick, stuff like that, and it still looks good, so, you know what, I'm thriving with that. So what I like to do is I have really bad under eyes. Sorry that I'm breathing hard, but like, my nose is really stuffy for some reason. Anyways, I just go way underneath. I just put that much normally. And then I'll just move it up and fill it in with this sponge. So, I'm honestly using the camera as a mirror right now. But also, I do that because it makes it less harsh and stuff. And then I end up using my fingers. Guys, I normally would do this so much better, but I'm like so in a rush right now because we need to film 2 more videos, which needs to leave soon. But you know what? Because normally when I film videos, I take my time. Like makeup videos, I made a makeup video so long, but I normally take my time and everything. Because I can't do makeup fast. I can do it really good, but I take my time because I don't do that much. Also, it looks less harsh in, like, real life. You can kind of see my under eyes, but honestly, It's fine. Then we're going to use this. I love using this. It's the Jordana, I don't know, Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick. We'll see this. So when I contour, I like to go to the top of my ear, make a line straight from that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and blend that in with the same sponge. And this blends in so nice. If I really had time, I'd even like color correct underneath there, and it works very well. And then add a tiny bit of concealer. But we don't attack that. And also, honestly, I blend everything way better. But you know what? We're just making a video, so I'm done saying that. So hopefully it doesn't annoy you if it's not like a perfect makeup tutorial. But you know, I'm still giving you tips while I do it, and we're just talking. Before we do powder, I'm gonna do this Colourpop Super Shock Chic in 18K2 Lunch Money Pearlized. And we're just going to put that as highlight. So now I need to find my powder. This NYX powder I've had for years. That's something I've had forever. It's the NYX HD Finishing Powder. I have it in mint. It's very broken. I've had it forever. So we're going to take a dry sponge, Real Technique sponge. Ooh, it's dirty on this side. Some of these others, it's all dirty. What the heck? Where did this get dirty? Okay, I have another one. What the heck? It's dirty. Okay, we're not going to use that right now. We'll clean that later. They're both dirty. Alright, so we're not going to do that. I normally get a sponge and press it into my under eyes and then just use a brush for the rest. But we're just going to use a brush for everything right now because I don't have time to clean this right now. How are you guys? I hope you're good. I have so many ideas coming your way. Okay, that's good enough. Now let's do some bronzer. Normally I use this Butter Bronzer Physicians Formula. I love it so much. It smells really good. But I'm like wanting something different. And even though in videos I probably use this more, I'm still going to use this. This is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer Waterproof Bronzing Powder. No, it's in 022 Sun Bronze. And I love this actually, so I want to go back to this. So we're going to use a small little like kind of contour brush. But I'm just using it to bronze. Using the same technique I talked about earlier. I'll blend that in a second, and then I'm just going to do my forehead a little bit too. This is like a summery bronzer, I feel like, so you should totally check it out. It's really nice, blends in nicely. I'll blend it in and be right back. Okay. So, I have been listening to Ariana Grande, just like every song of hers, her new music, old music. There's like a playlist on Spotify called like This Is Ariana Grande or something like that. And I literally listen to it when I'm trying to fall asleep every night. Always listen to it if I'm listening to music in the shower, like literally for months and months now. When I was in school until now, I'm like, man, this is great. And I don't get sick of music easily, so that's why I can do that. But yeah, songs I like a lot by her right now are Bad Idea, Good Night and Go, Every Time, Thinking About You, In My Head, and oh, there's so many more that I like, but I haven't told them all because I didn't like her, what is it, the Sweetener album that much when I first heard it, but some songs I'm starting to like a lot more now, so I'm excited for that, and I already liked her Thank You Next album a lot, so yeah, but I've always liked her Dangerous Woman album, but now I'm even listening to her older albums. I'm like, oh, these have good songs in them. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so that's interesting, I guess. We are gonna get to eyes. Before I get to eyes, I'm trying to say stuff because I realize I like barely been talking. I'm just like rushing through makeup right now. This video needs to be a little more interesting. I used to work at Panda Express, as you know, and I quit because I moved back home for the summer and then going back to school. But the Panda Express near us is too far away for me to work there. So I've been struggling to find a job, but I just did an interview at Subway, so that might work, or I have another opportunity to be like a nanny, so maybe, fingers crossed I get that. If I know by the time I upload this, I'll put it in the air, but I don't know yet. So yeah, it's been a struggle all summer to find a job, and I like started pretty much right away. So like, if you're in that situation, I understand you, and I need money for college, so like, it's scary. It's really stressful.
Hold on a minute.
Huh?
I didn't know you were holding emotionally.
Shoot. Everything's everywhere. This video is probably bad because I'm trying to rush. You know what? We're just gonna do a little bit of a color in my crease, not much. We're gonna use this Milani palette right here. I've used it in the video before, and we're just gonna use not that brush. Okay, we're just gonna use this brush. This is not the brush I've been using recently, but you know what? It's fine. This big blending brush. It's angled, and we're gonna use this light brown right here in my crease, just really all over the crease. I'm not even putting primer on or anything. I do something in a rush. Like, for me, if my eyeshadow kind of starts fading away, I don't put too much so it doesn't look bad. It kind of just, it's fine. If I do it like this, like, if it fades away, you don't really notice, honestly. So that's face and back. You see it. Normally I use a smaller brush and make it a little more precise, but either way, whichever one you like. And then I'm using this Maybelline New York palette. It's green. My eyes are green, and some people don't like that, but it looks really good for me, so I do that a lot. If I use an angled brush and I use that as eyeliner, so I use powder, eyeshadow, whatever, instead of eyeliner, and it makes it easier, so you can be more sloppy with it, and it's more natural. But making it green doesn't make it natural, but like, you can use other colors. See how it makes my eyes pop? And it's really summery, so we're gonna use the Colourpop kind of on my lid and in the inner corner.
Colourpop?
Yeah. Remember, you were with me. So it's like a creamy thing, but so I actually made a mistake. So I would put this on your lid before you do eyeliner. I would normally do that, but I don't know, I was just in a frantic. So once I did this, I kind of covered the green, so I just reapplied it again. And then I curled my lashes with an e.l.f. curler, and I used this Voluminous Lash Paradise L'Oreal Paris. I love this mascara. I'm sure everyone knows about it already. So this is how it's looking so far. And now we're going to do my eyebrows. They're horrible. This is my holy grail. I can't talk today. This is my holy grail. This is my holy grail eyebrows. That's what it is. Eyebrow palette. So I've used I use the Benefit Booth Proof pencil. I think that's one. It's something Benefit. I think it was that one, and it's good, but it came off very easily. Where this stays on and it fits, like this color honestly just fits my eyebrows better, and I just like how it looks better. So it is the Maybelline New York Brow Drama Pro palette, and I have it in 260 Deep Brown. And I always use this center color right here. So I just spoolie out my brows. I kind of move the front up, and then I do that natural. I kind of move them all up a little bit too. Eyebrows are horrible right now, I'm sorry, but this will fix it. So I see my brows really natural. I keep it in all the shape. Maybe I just fill in the sparse areas. Once I'm done shading them in, I spoolie the front way more than the back again, and then I spoolie the back a little just to blend it all in and not make it as harsh. Okay, I did it a little too hard right there, guys, as you can see, so be careful with that. I kind of rubbed off my foundation, but you know what, it's fine. So then we are going to add a tiny bit more highlight, but I'm going for the really natural highlight today. So I'm using this Wet n Wild To Reflect Shimmer Palettes. I actually bought this as like a couple bucks a lot of years ago, and I didn't even really know what it was, but I love it. It's really amazing. It's just like the most natural highlight ever, and it just makes it look so healthy and bright. I use this really flimsy like bronzer brush, and I just literally put it like I would any highlight on my cheeks. I'm going to put it on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Now all we have left is lips. Normally I go for a gloss and things like that, but I'm really going to try something different today. So we're going to do this CoverGirl Jumbo Gloss Balm Creams 305 Cherry Cream Pie. So it's like honestly like a chapstick, but it's red. Now I'm not gonna put it like that on because it'll be way too bright. I'm gonna use my finger and like stain it on. Now I don't normally go for matte lips. Like I normally add a gloss on top of this, but you know I'm really liking this right now. And I normally would put chapstick on before, but I don't have chapstick near me. So if your lips tend to be dry, I would put chapstick on before putting on your lipstick. But if it's with gloss, you don't need to do that. So then one more step here. We are going to spray that same finishing spray with the NYX Dewy Finish Professional Makeup Setting Spray. So let's shake it up. I'm going to use my other hand because I have...
Why do you have to shake it up?
I don't know if you do, but I just do it.
Dang.
Then you let it dry. And I'm going to show you guys in better lighting the finished look. See how like vibrant it makes my eyes? Now guys, I'm really sorry that I was really rushing. You could tell I was rushing. And I didn't really talk much about the makeup I was using, and I didn't talk much about my life. My next Get Ready With Me or makeup video will be way more of those things and more. I was just very rushed to film today, but you know what? That's life. That's life right there. So yeah. This is how it looks with glasses on. Actually, I'm going to take them off because you can see all the lights and everything. It's probably annoying. Anyways, so just to reiterate, next makeup video, we'll talk more about the products. If it's chit chat, get ready with me. I'll talk more about myself because I feel like I had so much to say and I didn't really say it. But you know what? For another video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this makeup look. You know, I really actually do like it. I like how this color is bright. It kind of matches my colors. And normally with green, I would kind of do a lighter lip, but I kind of wanted to go out today. So yeah, and you'll see this look in my video with my sister Faith. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the new intro, there's your foots. And thank you guys so much for watching. It would mean the world if you guys would subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I make videos. Like this video, comment anything, any video requests you want down below. All the makeup I used will be named down below in the description box. Love you guys so much. You guys are so beautiful inside and out. Stay you, stay beautiful. See you soon. Bye guys.